Hey guys, it's Tiara Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this really cute, summery, springy, yellow butterfly set. Here are all the tools that I use to achieve this set, so if you guys are interested in learning, then keep on watching. So first things first, we have to get our base coat on all of our nails. I'm using this base coat from Beetles. I use pretty much all of my polishes from Beetles or Modelones just because they're affordable. I do have affiliate links down below in my description as well if you guys want to get some money off and support me as well. So once you guys get that base coat on, you're going to then go in with nude and your yellow polishes. I'm doing it in this order because I want the ring finger and the middle finger to be accents, so I'm going in with the nude on all of the other fingers and the yellow with the middle finger and ring finger. Cash running over, I can feel the greed. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I put on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Good at that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crunch. Louis V, but my t-shirt is tough. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly wrist on, sipping a test. Go get it up, must. But go good enough, pussy no must. Yeah, love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah. I'm going in with 2 coats of each of those polishes, but for the nude, I'm actually going to go in for the second coat with a more pink colored nude, just so it can have a more soft kind of blush look to it. Once I get the foundation for all of my nails, I'm then going to go in with a matte top coat. This is going to allow me to get all of my designs done. I'm going to be using glitter and be doing a glitter French tip, so doing this matte top coat is going to keep all the glitter from sticking to the nails. It's definitely a pro tip if you guys struggle with doing these kind of designs and getting glitter everywhere. Having that matte top coat is going to really save you some time and energy. Also, I just like the look of this set with a matte finish, so it's just going to, you know, double as a protector for my design, but then also just a cute look for the final result. My French tips, I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just going in with a liner brush and my yellow polish and then just filling in the French tip and then doing 2 coats of that yellow just so that it's very opaque and not see-through. It won't matter too much because we are going to be putting glitter directly on top, but just to be thorough, we're going to do 2 coats. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I put on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Good at that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crunch. Louis V, but my t-shirt is tough. Yeah, cold as a slush. Alright, so on to the fun part. You're gonna take your clear top coat. I'm going to use the one from Beetles because it's just what I have on hand. You're going to basically outline the French tip that you just did with that top coat. It doesn't have to be extra precise, but just make sure you're getting all of whatever is yellow so that you can dump on your glitter and it only sticks to whatever the top coat was put on. That's why it's important to have this matte coat because it's not going to stick to anything else besides what is uncured. So that's why I like having this matte coat as a kind of pack, so then when you cure it and then brush all the excess off, you won't have anything that's on your base. Cash running over, I can feel the greed. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I put on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Good at that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crunch. Louis V, but my t-shirt is tough. Yeah, cold as a slush. Similar to what we just did with the glitter on the French tips, we're gonna go in with our liner brush again and just make a little kind of swirl design. You can use what I did and use the gel polish, or you can just use the clear top coat for this part of the design because we're just gonna dump more glitter on top of this. You're gonna go ahead and cure this and then
brush away the excess, and you'll be left with a cute little glitter swirl. I'm then going to take my holy grail of rhinestone glue. This is by McCart, and I'm just gonna add on my little butterfly charms. These are so cute. I love them a lot. I didn't think I was gonna like them as much as I do, but I think they're so adorable. Also, with that McCart glue, you guys can get money off if you use my discount code down below. I know I've already mentioned it, but guys, like, you can really save some money if you use that code. So I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit closer so you can see better what I'm doing. I'm just taking my daughter tool and making a dot flower design. This might be a little bit more tedious. It was definitely tedious for me, but it's definitely worth it in the end for the results it yields. All you have to do is make dots in a flower-like design, take a fine line brush and kind of drag those dots towards the center of your design, not pulling it too close because then it'll kind of blob together and you might have to start over. But all you have to do is just kind of play around with it until you get the desired shape of your flowers. Once you like how your flowers are looking, we're then going to go in with some acrylic powder and then just dump it all over your nail. This is going to give us that 3D look. Lastly, for a final touch, we're going to go in with a white gel polish and then just fill in the middle parts of the flower to make it pop more. Then once you finish that, you can go back in with your acrylic powder and cure it again so that everything is nice and cured and ready to go. So this is my final result. I think it turned out so cute. I think it's adorable, and they will be up and available by the time this video is up. So if you guys want to go ahead and purchase, be sure to click that link down in my description. But that's all I've got for today, so I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and join the crew because we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. See you guys later. Bye.